What is Gretl? Gretl stands for GNU Regression, Econometrics and Time Series Library. This is a free software package for econometrics analysis, and this is what Gretl looks like on the inside. Those of you who have worked with SAS and SPSS before will notice that it's got a similar interface. And that is correct. All of these software packages for modeling resemble each other's interfaces, and conceptually they are very similar too. Once you learn one of them, it's much easier to grasp the rest. In Gretl, we will be able to do the same modeling just like in R and Python, but we won't have to code. And that's the big deal here. Some of you may already know R very well, but some may not know it at all. As I mentioned in the intro to this section, my goal is to show you how to build a robust model and give you a framework of steps that you can apply in any tool you choose. That's where Gretl will help us avoid getting bogged down in our coding. Now let's go ahead and install Gretl. To start off, you're going to need a browser. And in Google, type in simply Gretl. And then here, one of the top links will be the SourceForge link. Go ahead and proceed to that. Here, you need to find a link which takes you to the installation packages. So at the bottom here, it says Gretl for Microsoft Windows can be found here, and Gretl for Mac OS can be found here. So I'm going to click the Windows link. Inside this page, you can see that there are several different versions. You need the latest release, and there's one for the 32-bit operating system. There's one for the 64-bit operating system. So select the correct one for your system. And also, you know how sometimes at work you can't install programs because you don't have admin rights? I remember at my previous job that was the case, and it was very annoying that I couldn't install software like this. So in this case, you can actually download a zip archive. It's a portable version, so that means once you download it, you just unzip it and you can use it out of that folder right away without having to install the program. And that will allow you to use it even if you don't have admin rights. So if you need that, go ahead and install that. And for the Mac OS, it's very similar, very straightforward. Here you just have to select the type of operating system you're running, or type of processor actually your computer is running, and then the instructions are straightforward from there. And once you've installed Gretl, make a shortcut on your desktop and you're ready to proceed to the next tutorial.